Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and it is August, so I have got my first delivery for the month. I do have one more coming, and then hopefully that will be it. No more online deliveries for the month, because I have spent quite a bit already this month, just been on my very first craft retreat. So this first order is from Sassy Scrappers. Now this is an Australian website. I normally buy all of my products from scrapbook.com or Craft Online, which is a store here in Australia, but because of the delivery times due to COVID, I'm just pausing any scrapbook.com orders for now because my last one took about 2 months to come. But it's good to support local businesses, isn't it? So in my search for a local store, I came across Sassy Scrappers, and here I've got a nice little touch with this berry chocolate, which is very nice. And I'll just get rid of all this packaging. Let me show you what I've ordered. Now, first thing you'll notice is these swatch booklets from the Truly Grateful collection. I've been on the lookout for swatch books for so long because I've seen Paige Evans do some amazing stuff with these little 2x2 inch squares. So that's going to be a really good addition to my collection. And then the other thing I've done is bought quite a bit of the Snowflake collection. I couldn't get my hands on this at all last Christmas. And I did absolutely love seeing what everybody had done with this. So I know there's going to be new collections out that I'm probably going to want, but I am going to be more than happy using this in my December daily for 2020. I've also got the sticker book as well, the sticker sheet I should say, as well as the sticker book. How amazing it is. And then I've got the paper pad. So the only thing I had last year managed to get was this chipboard sheet, which if you saw my 12 Days of Christmas, you will know that I did some Christmas ornaments with the chipboard pieces. So I still have quite a few of those left as well, but I'm going to really enjoy using some of these papers in my Christmas collection this year. And just quickly skip, so we're still on the same collection. This is another part of the Snowflake collection. And of course they're all double-sided sheets. This is a nice gift tag one, but I also thought it'd be good to make some Christmas cards with. And this was just another sheet that I saw actually. I think it was for sale. So Happy Collection by Simple Stories. So this is just a random sheet that I got because I just love some of these quotes and sentiments as well. So I thought that would be a really nice sheet to do a random layout with. I also got this Maggie Home sheet as well. This is another sticker sheet from the Heritage collection. I really love this collection as well. So I'm glad to get this in my collection. And then the other thing that I've got is an AC digital kit is the Sweet Story collection. So I've also gone ahead and bought the sticker book for this as well. I do love sticker books. I hate all of the plastic waste, but I do love the amount of stickers you get in these and the variety of them as well. Let's see. So there's lots of little sentiments on that one. So yes, I'm really pleased with this little haul. I think a lot of it was on sale actually, which is why I took the plunge to buy Christmas stuff. And next up I'll show you my haul from Craft Online. Hi, so this is my order from craftonline.com.au. I have taken it out of the packaging and I'll quickly remove it from the bubble wrap as well, so I don't want it to make too much noise. But you can see here I have ordered a heap of these Dylusion paints. Now the reason I've ordered these is because I love the little size of them, so storage isn't going to be too much of a problem. I was watching the Diane Risley YouTube's Day by Day that she's got going, and I just love how quickly these seem to dry, how well they mix together. So I've got some quite basic primary colours. I do already have black one, which I've been loving, so that's what made me choose a particular brand as well. So I've chosen some primary colours, as you can see, so I can do a lot of mixing. I've got my little scrapbook.com container, which these fit perfectly into. You can keep these displayed in here as well, as you can see, so they're going to fit really nicely. And the other thing that I got as well as those was this embossing powder. Now this is a little tiny one, isn't it? It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, I have to say. This is super fine gold. Don't know what I've done with my gold embossing powder, I really don't. I had a bigger one, probably twice the size of this, and I know that we'll find it now I've ordered a replacement one, but this will definitely be a good replacement for me for that. And the other thing I've ordered, I've already got the Brie Reese liquid glitter in the iridescent, so I've also gone ahead and ordered the gold as well because this gives so much shimmer. I mean, I love my Winged Stella, don't get me wrong, but this is on another level when you look at the shimmer. And it never comes off well on camera, I have to say, but in real life really does give a great effect. And I got this recommendation from Jennifer Maguire when she does her end of year favourites, so absolutely made up that I did actually go ahead and get these, so I'm glad I've got the second one for that. And then the only other thing that I've ordered is this gel press, and it's something I've been wanting to do since watching Diane Riesler, because she does this kind of messy junk journaling effect, obviously using the paints. I just love the effect that it gives. So this is going to be a great little thing for me to play with, so no doubt I will share some videos with you when I first start using that as well, and let you see my initial attempts. There's a little booklet with it as well. Oh, so that's just good. Some information how to use, how to clean it and store it. So yeah, so that's a little haul for me. So only a quick craft I'll share for you this month, but you can see I got a lot of goodies included. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.